A very good morning, my dear student. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Myself, Ritu Chandrol, your English teacher, I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, in the previous class, I had taught you a chapter, that is lesson number 2, articles. In that, we had already learnt about alphabets. So, in English alphabets, there are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and the rest of the letters are called consonants. So, you can understood, my dear children, that there are 5 vowels and there are 21 letters. The rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Children, the use of an. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel. So, look at the first picture, children. The first picture is an apple. The first letter of apple is A. It is a vowel sound. So, we will use an apple. Look at the second picture, children. The second picture is egg. The first letter of egg is E. It is a vowel sound. So, we will use an egg. Look at the third picture, children. Orange. The first letter of orange is O. It is a vowel sound. So, we will use an orange. The usage of A. We use A before a word that begins with a consonant. For example, look at the first picture, children. A girl. The first letter of girl is G. The first letter of girl is G. So, it is a consonant sound. So, we will use a girl. Look at the second picture, children. Second picture is cat. The first letter of cat is C. So, it is a consonant sound. So, we will use a cat. Look at the third picture, children. The third picture is bag. The first letter of bag is B. It is a consonant sound. So, we will use a bag. So, by this explanation, you can understand, children, we use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. Children, so Now, I will give you book exercise. You have to write the book exercise in your English grammar textbook with pencil. Children, look at the first question carefully. Circle the vowel in the set of letters given. Children, you have to circle the vowels. What are the 5 vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. You have to circle the 5 vowels. Next one. Circle the letters that are not vowels. It means that you have to circle the consonant letters. Okay? Just look at the picture carefully, children. You have to circle the consonants letters. R, J, P, T, N, Q, S. So, you have to circle the consonants letters. It means that you have to circle the consonant letters. Next one, read the words and circle the word that describes the picture. Children, first look at the picture carefully. Look at the first picture, children. Then, what is the first picture, children? Bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. Then you have to circle the B-U-S. Bus. Look at the second picture, children. What is the second picture? Jug. Then circle jug. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Look at the third picture, children. What is the third picture? Cake. What is the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E. Cake. Circle the cake, children. Look at the fourth picture, children. What is the fourth picture? King. What is the spelling of king? K-I-N-G. King. You have to circle the king. K-I-N-G. King. Look at the fifth picture, children. What is the fifth picture? Vase. What is the spelling? V-A-S-E. Vase. Circle the vase. Look at the sixth picture, children. What is the sixth picture? Crow. What is the spelling of crow? C-R-O-W. Circle the crow. Children, look at the seventh picture. What is the seventh picture? Cone. What is the spelling of cone? C-O-N-E. Cone. Then circle the cone. Look at the eighth picture. What is the eighth picture? Tub. What is the spelling of tub? T-U-B. Tub. Circle the tub. Next one, C. Fill in the blanks with a or an. First question. Dash egg in dash basket. What is the spelling of egg? E-double-G. Egg. The first letter of egg is E. It is a vowel sound. So, an egg in a basket. The first letter of basket is B. So, it is a consonant sound. What we will put, children? A basket. Then, question number 2. The first letter of man is M. M is a consonant letter. So, we will put A man in an aeroplane. The first letter of aeroplane is A. A is a vowel. Because of that, we will put an aeroplane. Third picture, children. Dash boy on dash elephant. B is a consonant letter. So, we will put A boy on an elephant. In elephant, the first letter is E. E is a vowel. So, we use an elephant. Look at the fourth picture, children. In fourth picture, girl with dash umbrella. In girl, the first letter is G. G is a consonant. So, we will put A girl with dash umbrella. Dash umbrella. In front of umbrella, we will put an, because in umbrella, the first letter is U and U is a vowel. Look at the fifth picture, children. Dash pen in dash in pot. The first letter of pen is P. P is a consonant letter. So, we will put A pen in an ink pot. The spelling of ink pot is I-N-K-P-O-T pot. The first letter of ink pot is I. So, I is a vowel. Because of that, we will put an ink pot. Look at the sixth picture, children. Dash parrot in dash cage. So, P is a consonant letter. So, we will use A parrot and C-A-G-E cage. C is a consonant letter. Here also we will use A cage. Look at the seventh picture, children. Dash frog in dash well. A frog in a well. Because the first letter of frog is F and the first letter of well is W. Both are consonant. Look at the eighth picture, children. In eighth picture, dash ice cube in dash glass. The first letter of ice is I. I is a vowel. So, we will use an. And the first letter of glass is G. G is a consonant. So, we will use A. An ice cube in a glass. Children, look at the ninth picture. In ninth picture, dash flag on dash pole. So, F-L-A-G, flag. F is a consonant letter. So, we will use A flag on a pole. Because the first letter of pole is P and P is a consonant letter. Look at the 10th picture, children. In 10th picture, dash lock and dash key. So, here also we will put A lock and A key. Because the first letter of lock is L and the first letter of key is K. Both are consonant. Children, look at the 11th picture. Dash spoon and dash fork. A spoon and a fork. The the first letter of spoon is S and the first letter of fork is F. So both are consonant. Because of that, we will use a spoon and a fork. Look at the 12th picture, children. In 12th picture, we will use a boat with an oar. Because the first letter of boat is B. B is a consonant letter, so we will put a boat. The first letter of oar is O. O is a vowel letter, so we will put an oar. Next one, D. Fill in the blanks with the missing vowels. Look at the first picture, children. W-A double L, wall. W-E double L, well. Second picture, C-U-P, cup. C-A-P, cap. Look at the third picture, children. H-U-T, hut. H-A-T, hat. Look at the fourth picture, children. T-A-P, tap. T-O-P, top. Look at the fifth picture, children. N-E-T, net. N-U-T, nut. Look at the sixth picture, children. B-E double L, bell. B-A-double-L, ball. Look at the seventh picture, children. L-O-G, log. L-E-G, leg. Look at the eighth picture, children. M-A-T, mat. M-U-G, mug. Next one. Fill in the blanks with suitable consonants. Number 1. F-O-X, fox. G-U-N, gun. G-A-T-E, gate. G-I-R-L, girl. L-O-G, log. H-O-R-S-E, horse. T-O-Y, toy. T-R-A-I-N, train. L-A-M-P, lamp. R-E-D, red. N-E-T, net. R-O-S-E, rose. F. Fill in the blanks with right word. Add A to the word. Question number 1. Look at the picture carefully, children. There is a dog on the log. Question number 2. There is a cat on the mat. Question number 3. There is a cup in the tub. Question number 4. There is a fish in the dish. Next one. G. Use a or an to complete the following. Question number 1. Rita and Neeta sit down for breakfast. Rita eats dash egg. The first letter of egg is E. E is a vowel, so we will put an egg and dash slice of bread. The first letter of slice is S, so we will put a slice of bread. Neeta eats dash apple. The first letter of apple is A. A is a vowel here. So we will put an apple and drinks dash glass of milk. The first letter of glass is G. G is a consonant letter. So we will put a glass of milk. Question number 2. Ram goes to a toy shop. He buys dash aeroplane. The first letter of aeroplane is A. A is a vowel here. So we will put an aeroplane dash teddy bear. The first letter of teddy bear is T. T is a consonant letter. So we will put a teddy bear dash doll. The first letter of doll is D. D is a consonant letter. So we will put a doll. The first letter of racing is R. R is a consonant letter. So we will put a racing car and dash xylophone. The first letter of xylophone is X. X is a consonant letter. So we will put a xylophone. Number 3. This is my pencil box. I keep dash pencil. The first letter of pencil is P. P is a consonant letter. So we will put a pencil. Dash eraser. The first letter of eraser is E. E is a vowel here. So we will put an eraser. Dash sharpener. The first letter of sharpener is S. S is a consonant letter. So we will put a sharpener and dash ruler in it. The first letter of ruler is R. R is a consonant letter. So we will put a ruler in it. Thank you, my dear children.